Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Product Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning Vue Js tutorial for beginners in Hindi and this is our part 32. In this video session guys, we'll discuss about event bus in Vue Js application. And also guys, if you are a beginner to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our previous video sessions to get the clear concept about Vue Js application. और इसके पहले वाले जितने भी कोड सेक्शन हमने अभी तक कंप्लीट किए हुए इस प्लेलिस्ट में गाइज सारे हमने इस कोड को कमिट किया हुआ अपने इस गिटहब लिंक पे. ओके सो अब बेसिकली वहाँ से इस कोड को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. सो इफ दिस इज योर फर्स्ट वीडियो सेशन गाइज देन आई स्ट्रांगली सजेस्ट यू टू वॉच आवर ऑल प्रीवियस वीडियो सेशंस ऑफ दिस प्लेलिस्ट फ्रॉम दिस प्लेलिस्ट. ओके सो बेसिकली गाइज इस वीडियो सेशन में हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं अबाउट इवेंट बस इन Vue.js एप्लीकेशन. सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज एन इवेंट बस? So event bus is a pub sub pattern, means one component publishes an event and another component subscribe to that event. So one component, view component, emits an event with some data and another component subscribe to that event and receives the data. Okay, so summary point of view से guys हम ये समझ सकते हैं कि basically event bus एक channel की तरह होती है जहाँ से एक component एक method emit करती है, एक event fire करती है, उस event में कुछ data होती है, उस data को subscribe करने के बाद हमारे other components उस data को use कर सकती है. Okay, it is the quick way to passing the data from parent to child or child to the parent component. Okay, we can use the event bus architecture to pass the data between the components. Okay, so how can we use the concept of event bus in Vue.js application to our Vue application? Okay, so just back to editor. This is suppose a sample project. ये हमारे sample project है जहाँ पर हमारे पास कुछ components like employee.vue, student.vue and test.vue and this is root component and this is main.js file. Okay, so basically how can we start to use event bus? So first of all you have to register a const variable. Okay, जहाँ पर एक fresh view instance को create करेंगे. By the help of that instance actually we will use as an event bus to our Vue.js application. Okay, so inside main.js file और कोई भी js file आप create कर सकते हो अपने src folder के अंदर. Okay, so now I'm going to use inside this main.js file. So let's that export event bus equal to new and this is view. Okay, this is the variable that we have created, this is the new instance that we have created by the help of this view library. Okay, so basically now I'm going to make its constant variable. Okay, so we are going to use this event bus throughout the application to pass and receive data. Okay, so just I'm going to copy this event bus, go to employee.vue or student.vue. मैं क्या करूँ guys, उस event bus पे कुछ data को set करने वाले हैं. Okay, so let's say that button, click here to send data. Okay, so just I'm going to bind a click listener. Okay, so let's say that v on click and let's say that pass data. Okay, next we have to define this function. So just go inside methods and let's say that pass data is basically a function. For now let's write a message in our console. So console.log, this is simple message passed. Okay, so if I save this file, go to app.vue and now we have to import this component right inside this app.vue. So how can we import that? So let's say that import student from current directory, means current directory we have to go from src to components folder. Okay, so let's say components, inside this components we have to go inside this student.vue. So let's say student.vue. Okay, next we have to create a tag. Okay, so let's say that student and this is student. So just copy inside this div, let's say student and student. Okay, so if we save this file, go to our output screen and this is the button that we have made. Okay, once we clear the console, click on this button. So ये रही वो guys वो मैसेज जो कि हमने पास किया हुआ अपने student.vue component से. Okay, and this is simple a click event listener. Okay, जहाँ पर हमने एक simple message console किया हुआ है. Now next we have to set this message inside our event bus. Okay, हम एक मैसेज को सेट करने वाले हैं अपने इवेंट बस पे and now by the help of that event bus actually we will receive that message inside our employee.vue and test.vue. Okay, so how can we set data? So let's say that first we have to import the event bus. So let's say import event bus from one directory back. this is inside src folder. Inside this src folder we have defined inside this main.js file, and now we are currently inside this student.vue. So we have to go one directory back. Okay, so let's say double dot main. Okay, this is a main.js file where we have defined event bus variable. Okay, so just I'm going to copy this variable name event bus, go inside function. This is the method that we have defined, and let's say that event bus dot emit. Okay, first parameter we have to pass the event listener. Okay, so let's say that emitted data. In the second parameter we have to pass the data. Actually we are going to send to another component. Okay, so if I may copy this message, pass here, इस मैसेज को गाइज हम पास करने वाले हैं अपने नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट पे. ओके, सो जस्ट सेव दिस फाइल. नेक्स्ट ओपन अप employee.vue. ओके, इस employee.vue पे गाइज हम इस इवेंट बस के जरिए इस मैसेज को रिसीव करने वाले हैं. सो हाउ कैन वी रिसीव दैट? So just go to employee.vue. First we have to import the event bus. Okay, so let's say import event bus from one directory back and from main. Okay, so this is the event bus that we have imported. Okay, so इस event bus के जरिए guys हम उस मैसेज को read करने वाले हैं. So basically we need to call all these components inside the app.vue. Okay, so let's say import employee from components folder. Inside this components, let's say employee.vue. Okay, so successfully we have registered another component. So just I'm going to make some tags. So let's say employee, and this is okay. So if I copy this employee, make a tag, okay, and save this file. So just go employee.vue, and let's say that this is the simple message right now, message, and this is the message coming from right here. Okay, so if I save this file, go to browser, reload this page, this is the button that we have made inside our student.vue, and this is the default message that we have set inside our employee.vue. Okay, so let's wrap this message inside h3 tag. ओके, सो दिस इज द मैसेज. सो हम क्या करने वाले गाइस, इस बटन के क्लिक पे हम एक मैसेज को सेट करेंगे और उस मैसेज के जरिए हम इस डिफॉल्ट मैसेज को चेंज करेंगे बाय द हेल्प ऑफ इवेंट बस. ओके, सो बेसिकली गाइस सक्सेसफुली वी हैव सेट दिस इवेंट बस विद दिस इवेंट. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू रिसीव दिस इवेंट. सो जस्ट कॉपी दैट. बेसिकली गाइस हमारे Vue.js एप्लीकेशन में एक लाइफ साइकिल होती है जहां पर व्यू एप्लीकेशन को इनिशियलाइजेशन से लेके डॉम ऑब्जेक्ट से रेंडर से लेकर के सारे डेटा को मींस पास आउट से सारे एक्चुअली लाइफ साइकिल हुक्स बने होते हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव टू यूज अ सिंपल मेथड फ्रॉम दैट लाइफ साइकिल. दिस इज कॉल्ड माउंटेड. ओके, बेसिकली गाइस लाइफ साइकिल फंक्शंस के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो सेशंस में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो फॉर नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज अ मेथड फ्रॉम लाइफ साइकिल दैट इज कॉल्ड माउंटेड. ओके, basically this is a mounted, and now inside this mounted guys we are going to receive that data. Okay, so how can we receive that? Basically हमने जो data set किया हुआ inside this event bus. Okay, so just I'm going to copy on. We have an event that we have set, and the event name something called emitted data. So just copy that, go inside on. This is the first parameter that we have to pass. Next we have to receive that data, and we have successfully sent the data something called this is a simple message passed. Okay, so we have to receive this message. So let's say that by using arrow function, this is the data that we are receiving. Okay, we have to set inside this message variable. Okay, so let's say that this dot message equal to data. Okay, so if we save this file, go to browser, now this is a button and this is a simple message of employee. Okay, we are going to click this button. By clicking on this button we actually set event bus message by using a event. Okay, and as you can see that we have successfully received that message right here. Okay, so this is a simple concept guys, that how can we set a message or any variable inside our event bus, and by the help of that event bus actually how can we use throughout the application. So this is the simple concept guys that we have actually seen about this video session. Okay, so आप अपने एप्लीकेशन में guys एक इवेंट बस बना करके अगर किसी वेरिएबल को अगर सेंड करना हो हमारे वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स में, जहाँ एक्चुअली उसे यूज़ करना हो तो बेसिकली आप एक इवेंट बस के जरिए उन डेटास को ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो अपने पेरेंट टू चाइल्ड कंपोनेंट में और चाइल्ड टू पेरेंट कंपोनेंट में. ओके, सो दिस इज द वेरी बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट. Okay, so by the help of this video session guys, we understand about the concept of event bus in Vue.js application. Okay, जहाँ पर हमें कुछ concepts को याद रखने हैं. First of all, we have to make a event bus listener. This is a mediator. By the help of this event bus, actually we have transferred and received our message. Okay, so basically first of the step we have to define our event bus. Okay, next by the help of this event bus, actually we have to set an event. Okay, by the help of event, this is the message that we are going to transmit. Okay, so by the help of this event, we have received that message inside our employee.vue by using the on method. Okay, so this is the very basic steps guys that you have to recognize to use event bus in Vue.js application. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this video session guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.